Good morning everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys what I got in my insert smart source. Now I did not order inserts this week because I feel like this week is just kind of sad. There might be one or two coupons out there, but this week is a very sad week for coupons, which is okay because last couple weeks have been awesome. I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now I always get a Sunday's paper in the newspaper at my house just because I want to do that. But here we have some Blue Diamond almonds. Now there's only one coupon you guys can use per transaction. Here we got Scrubbing Bubbles. This is a great coupon. Usually there's some good deals with that when it's $1. Here we got Outback. Kotex coupons. These are great coupons. You guys can use these right now at Pick and Save or Kroger's or any Kroger affiliate, and you guys can get these for like 50 cents a piece, which is a great deal. Here we got 75 cents off of 2 Nabisco, which sometimes I use those and sometimes I don't. Fancy Feast. Here we got $1 off Mitchum. $2 for the dog food. 35 cents off a Miracle Whip. $1 off a Kraft, some cheese and meat slices. Here we got 50 cents off of Windex, Dollar General. Which part of me wants to go there? I don't know. There's some maybe some deals that I might be able to do. We'll see. Here we have Musulman's applesauce. I've been hardcore into applesauce lately. Sargento. Here we got some Welch's, which I think there is some deals at Kroger. Bush's Bean Fiesta. And we got 75 cents off a Dole. So that is all I got for inserts. I know it's kind of sad. Not the greatest week to get inserts, but I just wanted to share with you guys, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.